Good evening, brother.
Good evening, good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, after a long time, again we are talking on video call. Okay, how is going everything?
Everything is going good, sir, nowadays. Okay, sir. Now we are introduced from.
No, I think no need to introduce ourselves again.
Okay,
Already
you can
we're
topic
not.
today. Yes,
Okay, we can speak another topic like. Uh,
yes,
do
yes,
you like
yes.
do you like traveling?
And traveling. Yes, yes. I like traveling.
Okay, so how many country have you visited so far?
No many countries. Only two countries. One is Nepal and one is India. No many
Okay,
countries.
tell
Because
me, tell me,
yes, yes.
tell me
If
something about your experience of Nepal.
yes, sorry.
Tell me something about travel Nepal. How was your
Yes,
experience?
on Nepal is there are three regions. Okay, and one
Okay.
is Tarai region, and one is mountain, and one is hilly regions. Okay, and absolutely mountain regions traveling is good, and
Yeah.
hilly hilly regions sorrowful traveling. Yes, because a lot of shivering and what do you mean? Cold a lot. We
Yeah.
cannot get eat food easily. We cannot get survive easily in hilly region. And sometimes if I go there, that's a lot of problem feeling cool and maybe cold. Yes, suffering
Okay.
cold. Yes.
Okay. So
So
when did you go
I
Nepal?
yes.
When did you go
Best
Nepal?
Tarai region and mountain region. Yes, mountain regions. We
Okay.
can
Okay. I understand.
see a lot of beautiful places, natural beauties. Yes,
Yeah.
and something knowledge about gain there. Yes,
Okay. Okay.
so traveling is most
So
like it.
okay. I got it. So in India, there are many states in India. So how many state are you visiting in India?
No, a lot of visited. There are many states available in India. Only I visited Bihar state. Bihar. You
Bihar
have heard
state.
Bihar? Yes, sir.
Yeah, I heard about Bihar, and I have a friend from Bihar also.
Yes, yes. What is your name?
Timro
Means
naam ki hai wo?
Nepali. Yes,
Okay, okay.
yes. And
And
Bangla? What
where are
you
you
mean?
from? Bangla?
I am. Yes. Where are you from? तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो?
Tumro Karkao.
तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो?
Okay, okay.
Where
I
are you from?
understand.
घर कहाँ हो? What is your father name? तिम्रो बुवाको नाउँ के हो? What is your father name? तिम्रो
Tumro
बुवाको
Bua,
नाउँ बुवा बुवा तिम्रो बुवाको
Bua.
नाम के हो? What is your father name?
Okay, okay. Bua means father.
Yes, yes. Buwa means father, Nepalese.
Okay. Mother means in
Mother
Nepali.
means ama, ama.
Ama. Okay. Bua means father, and Ama means mother.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
And
Actually,
Bangla means ama,
Bangla mother means ma, and father
ma.
means baba. Yeah, ma, and father
Like
means
as
baba.
some matchable, no? Ma, ba,
Yeah, yeah,
Bangla.
yeah,
Yes,
something. Yeah.
yes, yes.
And
Some like matchable.
I think Nepali language something familiar like Hindi language.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Hindi language and Maithili language is some like as matchable. Nepalese is different with Hindi. Yes. And Bangla, I think you about saying father and mother.